In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT in Zoho Books. Zoho Books is a fantastic tool for business finance management, and setting up VAT correctly is essential for keeping your financial records accurate and compliant. So, let's dive into the process to get your VAT up and running in Zoho Books. First, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, you'll find the settings gear icon located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on that gear icon to access all the various settings available to manage your books efficiently. Next, navigate to the section labeled Taxes under Taxes and Compliance. Note that, depending on your region, you might see this section named as Sales Tax if there's no specific VAT integration available. But don't worry, even if it's named Sales Tax, you can still set up your VAT categories within this section. Once you're in the correct section, it's time to create your new VAT tax rates. Even though the system might refer to them as sales tax, for all intents and purposes, we are targeting VAT settings here. Look for an option that says plus new tax or something similar, and click on it to begin creating your VAT rates. You'll then be prompted to enter details for this new tax rate. Start with giving it a clear and descriptive name. For instance, VAT 12% if your VAT rate is 12%. This makes it easier to identify and organize your tax categories, especially if you deal with multiple rates or types of taxes in your business operations. Enter the actual rate percentage you need. This example uses a 12% VAT, so type in 12. Once these fields are filled out, go ahead and click Save to store this tax rate in your system. Now, if your organization supports comprehensive VAT settings, there are additional fields that you might need to consider. This may include entering your VAT registration number and any labeling requirements specific to VAT in your region. Keeping these details up to date ensures compliance and simplifies your financial reporting. And there you have it. You've successfully added VAT in Zoho Books. It might seem straightforward, but taking the time to set this up correctly can save you from a lot of hassle down the line. Regularly review your VAT settings to reflect any changes in your business or tax policies. And don't forget, precise tax management not only helps in compliance, but also provides better insights for financial planning and analysis. Thank you for following along today. With these steps, you should feel confident managing VAT in Zoho Books, ensuring your financial processes remain both efficient and compliant. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on business and finance management.